Hi everyone, happy spring. This box came yesterday afternoon, early evening. It came all the way from 4-Star Greenhouses in Carlton, Michigan. Proven Winners Direct. Last year, Proven Winners Direct sent me several boxes filled with amazing live plants and the PW soil I was able to grow in my garden last year. The Portulaca Mojave Yellow Improved, the Supertunia Mini Vista Yellow, the Diamond Snow Euphorbia, and several other wonderful plants. Overall, it was just wonderful, and so I'm very excited. I placed this order just last week for these plants. This is the first time in several years that I did not place any pre-orders, because usually I do a pre-order before the main growing season. This year I just kind of waited and thought, you know what, I'm just going to see how the season develops. I'm going to be visiting several garden centers and also seeing, also taking some time just to look at my garden and see if I need to add something here, add something there, take something out, replace some things. And I think that it's definitely a test in self-control, especially since the garden centers right now are filled with all kinds of amazing plants. The assortment is just endless. And but anyway, I did practice self-control, and I only ordered a few. In the grand scheme of things, this is really a few. And so let's get unboxing. Oh my gosh, how do you do this? So in here, you can see there are 3 boxes in here. Just gonna pull out one box at a time, and we'll just take a look. And so, all right, first box here. Box number 1. Box number 1. Oh, this is exciting. This is exciting. Okay, so the first box. Oh, wow. All right, first plant of box number 1. Look at this. This is the Color Blaze Lime Time. This is the Color Blaze Lime Time Coleus. It's a tongue twister. Looking nice and healthy. Oh wow, how lovely, lovely. Oh, and my favorite, I actually grew this as well in this border. This is Truffla Pink Gomphrena. Truffla Pink Gomphrena. Oh, a little bloom. Little bloom. Yeah, this one grows for me. I think when I was growing in this bed last year, there was a lot of root competition from the roses and from the trees. And I mean, it grew to about, I think, 2 feet tall and wide, but I had to keep it watered daily, especially during the hot days. And here is another Truffla Pink Gomphrena. Whoop. Another one, nice and healthy. Oh, I'm very excited for this one. So this is new for 2024. Oh, I see it. Oh wow, look at this. Looks better in person actually. This is the Supertunia Hoopla Vivid Orchid. Wow, it really pops. The white edge, the white border, and it's kind of like a hot purple, hot magenta color. I'm already grooming it right now. It's beautiful. This is the Supertunia Hoopla Vivid Orchid. Oh, wow. So this one is new this year as well. This is the Color Blaze Cherry Drop Coleus. This is trailing coleus, and I did grow. Did I grow chocolate drop last year? I don't know, but I grew one of the drop coleuses, and yeah, the one last year I think it was chocolate drop or strawberry drop. Is it strawberry drop? Anyway, the other drop coleus that I planted last year was trailing over the edge of the pot. It was very graceful and elegant, very beautiful to have the cherry drop coleus this year in my garden. Oh wow, this is exciting. So this is the Double Up Pink Begonia. Another Double Up Pink Begonia, and the third one right here. So 3 Double Up Pink Begonias. Box number 3. All right, I think I have just one left here. So, yes. Okay, the final plant is my Supertunia Hoopla Vivid Orchid Petunia. So charming. All right, so here they are all together. The Double Up Pink Begonia, Lime-Time Coleus, Truffle Pink Amphrena, Cherry Drop Coleus, and the Vivid, and the Hoopla Vivid Orchid Supertunia Petunia. Happy spring, everyone. Happy gardening.